Hello there. My name remains Ajiboye Oladapo Jacob, and I welcome you to the Global Tutor Virtual Class. We have been looking at coordinate geometry in our series of Jamb revision. In the last video, we considered gradients. Now we want to use gradients. We want to solve Jamb past questions that are on gradients. We want to solve Jamb past questions that are on gradients. Let's begin. In Jamb 2014, question number 33. Jamb 2014, question number 33. The question reads, the gradient of the line joining s, 4 and 1, 2 is 1/2. The question now reads, find the value of x. Now, if you look at this question, we are given the points and we are given the gradient. Then what do? Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So go back to the point x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, in the question we have been told the gradient is what? 1/2. So come here, 1/2 equals y2. That is 2 minus y1. That is 4 over x2. That is 1 minus x1. That is x. So we have 1/2 equals 2 minus 4. That will give me minus 2 over 1 minus x. What do? Cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have 1 into a bracket, 1 minus x, close the bracket, equals 2 into the bracket minus 2. So if you open the bracket, 1 times this, that will remain the same thing. 1 minus x equals 2 times minus 2. That will give me minus 4. Then I can collect the right hand. So I have this move here. So you have 1, this comes here, plus 4 equals x. So if you rearrange, x equals 1 plus 4, that gives me 5. That is the answer to Jamb 2014 question 33. They gave us the points and the gradients. There is now one unknown in the points. But if you follow the formula, which says gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, all you need to do is to substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, and the gradient. Then you solve and we obtain the answer as 5. So the answer to question 33 of 2004 is 5. Let's solve another question. Let's solve another question. This is from 2012. Question 32. 2012. Question 32. This is a bonus for those that start for Jamb that year. The gradient of a straight line joining the points P 5, minus 7 and Q minus 2, minus 3 is, that was the question. They said the gradient of the line joining the points P and Q is, what's the solution? Very simple. Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So go name the points x1, y1, x2, y2. So substitute. Gradient equals y2. What is it? Minus 3 minus y1. What is it? Minus 7 over x2. What is it? Minus 2 minus x1. What is it? 5. So you have minus times minus plus. So minus 3 plus 7, that gives me 4 over minus 2 minus 5, that gives me minus 7. Therefore, the gradient is minus 4 over 7. That is the answer to Jamb 2012 number 32. We are asked to find the gradient given points P and Q as 5, minus 7 and minus 2, 3. So the answer is minus 4 over 7. That is the solution. We solve some more questions. Jamb past question we are solving. Since it's a Jamb division, so we are solving Jamb past questions. So let's solve another question. The question is from 2010, question 36. 2010, question 36. It's also very simple. The question reads, find the gradient of the line passing through the points P, 1, 1 and Q, 2, 5. We are asked to find the gradient. So what do? Solution. Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's name the point x1, y1, x2, y2. So what do we have? Gradient would be y2, 5 minus y1, 1 over x2, 2 minus x1, 1. So we have gradient equals this minus this 4 over this minus this 1. So gradient is 4. Bonus for this year, 2010, number 36. Ask to find the gradient between P and Q. And that is the solution to that year, 2010, number 36. Don't forget, like our video, share our video, and subscribe so that when we upload a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. I will solve the last question for this video under gradient, past question. And that question is from 2009, question 32. 2009, question 32. The question reads, what is the value of P if the gradient of the line joining minus 1, P and P, 4 is 2 over 3. I'll read the question again. What is the value of P if the gradient of the line joining minus 1, P and P, 4 is 4? Let's solve it. What's the formula? Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's label the point x1, y1, x2, y2. So what's gradient? This 2 over 3 equals y2, 4, minus y1, p, over x2, p, minus x1, minus 1. So we have 2 over 3 equals 4 minus p over minus times minus plus p plus 1. So what do? Cross multiply. So you have 2 into the bracket, p plus 1 equals 3 into the bracket, 4 minus p. Open the bracket. This times this, 2p. This times this, 2 equals this times this, 12. This times this, minus 3p. So what do? Collect the like terms. This one move here. The sign will change. It was minus before. On crossing the equality sign, it will change to plus. So you have this equals, this one is plus. On crossing the equality sign, it will become minus. So you have this plus this, 5p equals this minus this, 10. So you have 5p over p equals 10 over p. 5 cancel 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So you have your p to be 2. So that is the solution to UME 2009 question 32. And that is the whole concept about gradients. In the main video, we saw 4 questions under gradients, and in the past question, we also saw 4 questions. So I believe with this, if you go through it and set your past question and solve more, when you are writing your exam, any of the days in June, it will be a bonus when you see a question under gradients. Don't forget, like our video, share our video, hit the subscription button, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. So long. Good luck.